fix VAL29, that's what you need to do here. First of all, what you need to do here is to go to Riot Client, right click on it, open file location, again open file location, and then copy this link here. Then you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall. On Windows Defender Firewall, select allow an app, then change settings, allow another app, and browse. Then paste the path, and then add the exe file. If you're getting this error, this means it's already added. Then you need to add Valorant.exe. In my case, Valorant.exe is on disk, external disk, but for you it should be on program files and disk C if you did nothing and you did not change anything. All right. So I just need to go to my disk and go to a Valorant live Valorant.exe and add it here. You can see here I already added. If this did not work, then you need to open up cmd or command prompt. Make sure to open as admin. Right? Wait for a couple of seconds, and then you need to put few commands. So first command is this one, netsh winhttp show proxy. And then what you need to do here is to write another command here, this one. I will leave all the commands in the video description below, so you can easily copy and paste it. And after that, look if the problem persists. And if this do not work, then open up again cmd or command prompt, right click in and run as admin. Then you just need to write ipconfig /flushdns. Another command is netsh winsock reset. Then what you need to do here is to go and look for view network connections. And here you need to find your internet connection, right click on it, go to properties, then go to Internet Protocol version 4. Use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server, you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. Then what you need to do here, after you apply the changes, go to settings, and then go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and then network reset, and reset your network. And if this does not work, then go to installed apps. Completely first go to task manager and completely close Riot Client, Vanguard. Here should be no tasks, and then Valorant as well. Then you just need to look for Vanguard and install it. Press yes here. Then just launch Riot Client and install or update Vanguard, and you just need to wait. And then should be no play button. Basically, you cannot play. So you just need to go to services, then click on one of the tasks here and press on V, and then right click on VGC properties. Make sure it's automatic here, and service status is should be not stopped but running. And after that, Valorant should work. If it's not working, then just try to restart your computer, and then it should work. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.